What's going on, amazing traders? Like it's really been a while I upload a video on the channel. See, I'm very sorry about that. Like, I've been very busy with other things, right? And I neglected the channel totally. I know there was a series I started, right? A series I started back then on market structure, but unfortunately I couldn't continue. But guess what? I'm back, right? And I really pray to God for the consistency to carry on. All right. You know, the matter of consistency is very difficult. Right. So, but hopefully, I'm back on the channel full time, right? So expect more trading content, right? And also traveling content as well. Okay. And also expect daily and weekly market insights, right, on the channel. So it's going to be a lot of goodies, right, on the channel. So if you are new to the channel, if this is your first time of coming to this channel or stumbling to this channel on this channel, sorry, please do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. It costs you nothing to do that. Also hit that notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will be notified. And to to the returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Even despite my inconsistency, right, you still decide to come back and get value. Like, I really appreciate that. Please share this video to any traders you know that might need this video. All right, so in this particular video, I will be doing the weekly and the daily market insights to project what we should be anticipating in the market, right? Please, a quick disclaimer: this is not a financial advice, right? This video is not a financial advice. Whatever I'm saying here is what I feel or think that the market might do. So I'm not giving a financial advice. All right, so have that in mind. All right, and before I continue again, right, let me drop this quickly. All right, so before, let's say latest before January, right, my course, right, my course will be out. Now it is not a paid course. It's going to be totally free. All right, totally free for anybody that wants to learn how to trade the forex market profitably. All right, it's going to be totally free, but terms and conditions are applied. All right, because it's not going to be for everybody or anybody, right? It's just going to be for people who are serious minded, who really want to make success, right, in their trading journey. All right, so the course will be out very soon. I'm still trying to put the recordings together, and then I will upload the course and tell you how to go about it and get it. All right, like I said, it's going to be totally free. Trust me, it's going to be totally free. And then yeah, so we are through that means, right, we'll be creating a community, right, whereby we teach traders the proper way of trading, on how to manage bankroll, manage portfolio, manage your account, right, till they are consistently profitable and able to do a good percentage withdrawal from their firm, from their personal account, right? Because every trader's dream is to make money, right? So of course, so the community is going to help you build, right, it's going to help you build your profitability, right? It's going to help you build you and hold your hand till you become profitable. And trust me, everything is free. All right, everything's going to be free. You're not paying for anything. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. As time goes on, I will keep explaining it little by little. So first of all, we have a couple of pairs, right, we are looking out for the week, right? For those who know me very well, you know I trade the euro versus the dollar majorly, right? But based on this channel, right, I'll be adding other pairs to give a forecast of what we should be anticipating in the market technically, right? I was thinking to add the fundamental, which is the macros part of analysis, right? But not in this video. Maybe as time goes on, right? As time goes on, let me see the consistency. How it's going to go, right? Then I'll begin to add macro or fundamental analysis with technical and what we should anticipate. It is very, 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 very important, right? So for Euro USD, right, we could see this is the 1-day time frame, right? So we're going to do a top-down analysis for us to get a clear direction of where the market is heading to. All right, it's very, very important. If you trade structure, like if you trade structure mainly, you will understand the importance of top-down analysis, right? So don't bother yourself if you don't understand what I'm going to say here. Like I said, there's a course that's coming up very soon. It's going to be free, right? That is going to teach you how to look into structure properly, all right, as a trader. So the market, right, looking at the market from this point, right, the market created a series of lower lows, right, and then lower highs, right, lower low, right, and then lower highs, lower low, right, and then lower highs, lower low, and then we are currently on a lower high phase, right? And for every lower high and lower low, the market creates what they call swing point. We all understand that, right? Even if you don't understand that, like I said, just follow me, right? When the course is out, finally you understand what I'm saying better. But for those that understand, you get what I'm trying to say, all right? So there are swing points in the market. If you look at this carefully, let me take this out. If you look at this carefully, if you look at this carefully, right, you will see that here is a swing point, right? Here is a swing point. Here is a swing point. Here is a swing point. Sorry, not there. I mean, here is a swing point, right? Here is a swing point. Here is a swing point, and here is a swing point, right? Now, looking at these, right, the markets, right, on the daily time frame, right, sometime last week or last 2 weeks, right, tap into a higher time frame POI, right? POI simply means point of interest. All right, tap into a higher time frame point of interest, which is this lower high here, right? That's where the market tapped into, right, causing the market to retrace to the upside, right? So looking at this structurally, right, the market has broken looking at this structurally, right, it has broken here, right? It has broken a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then it's currently retesting a demand level. All right, it's currently retesting what? A demand level on the higher time frame. Remember, sorry, a supply level, not a demand level. Sorry, the demand level is the one below and the supply level is the one above, right? In other words, the support level is also known as the demand level, and then the resistance level is also known as the supply level. Have that at the back of your mind. All right, so the market is currently sitting at a supply level. All right, a supply level. So now, having that in mind, that okay, the market from the higher time frame, which is the 1-day time frame, the market is on the supply level. So now we are going to skip down, right, to the lower time frame. Now from the 4 hours, let's switch to the 4-hour time frame to analyze to see what the market is doing. Okay, now looking at this carefully, right, this is the demand zone from the higher time. This is the higher time frame demand zone, this swing point here, and then this entire candlestick, right, is a demand candlestick now, right? And then the market is correct. If you look at where the market is coming from the higher time frame point of interest, which is the higher time frame POI, you could see that the market kept creating series of higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher highs, right? Higher low. It didn't come down to demand level, right? But it created a low, right? Broke to the upside. Look at this wick here, right? My kind of structure, right? I count wick as a break of structure because wick was once wick was once a price. Yes, so it's a break of structure, right? Because the price went above the previous high, so it's a break of structure to me, right? And the price came back to a demand level, and currently we are going higher, right? Now there is something there's this mistake most traders make. All right, there's this mistake most traders make. Once they draw a demand level, right, once they draw a demand level, they tend to start shorting the market. Sorry, when they draw a supply level, for example, why am I calling supply demand? Like what's wrong with you, V? Don't mind me, guys, right? So once they draw a supply level, right, they want to start shorting from there. All right, now the truth of the matter is that the market can come to a demand level. Oh God, why am I calling here demand? The market can come to the supply level and decide to still keep going up and up and up and up, right? So you need to pay close attention to what structure is doing. All right, because I see that mistake a lot. People just come online and be like, all right, the market is currently in the supply level, right? Order block or whatever you call it, right? So let's begin to short, right? And then by the end of the day, they are in the market like this, and they're probably targeting here or this low, depending on where they are targeting, right? And then yeah, like that, they'll be like, let's see what happened, and then boom, 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 the market. Unfortunately, the market might end up doing something like this, right? Although it might expect it happens sometime, right? But the market might end up taking you out and they still continue in the direction of that trend. You don't want to be that guy, right? You don't want to be that guy, bro. Look at this. Like, look at how the market went up, right? Went to this upside, right? Traced back, broke structure to the upside, came back down to this demand level, and then started buying. So for me, right, having this in mind, I will ask myself a question, right? Okay, we are in a higher time frame. We are at this supply level, right? So what should I do? Since the market has not yet broken this low that broke the structure to the upside, I still maintain a bullish movement. All right, I still maintain a bullish movement. So if I'm looking the market for this week, is either the market come, if I'm looking for sell for this week, right? Say the market come back down, right? And then take this low for me, right? And then I use this high here for a demand level to sell the market. All right. But if the market continues going up, right, break the structure, bro, I will look for a demand level to buy. All right. Now, does that mean that I won't take stop loss? Of course, I can take stop loss. Stop loss might happen there because I don't control the market. All right, but to be on the safer side, it is better to trade in direction of the river, right? In flow with the river. That is in flow with the trend. Follow the trend, right? You don't want to be that guy that wants to be catching a falling knife. All right, so it's very, very important we understand that. So to me, having this in mind, if Euro USD start trading today, right, later today, this is doing this recording on the 1st of December, right, on Sunday, so 2024. All right, so if the market, right, break to the upside, sorry, I'll be looking for buys, right? We only have a change of bias, right? If the low that broke the structure to the upside is being broken, all right, that is where I'll now begin to look for sales opportunity, because technically at that point the sellers are already taking over. So now this is the 4 hour. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. All right, 1 hour time frame. Now you can see that things are getting more clearer here right now. All right, things are getting more clearer here right now. Okay, so this level we marked from the 4 hour. Let me bring this down. Right, this level marked from the 4 hour, right, the supply level, and then you can see how price came back to this demand level and then started buying from there. All right, and then it started buying from there. So I'll wait for, once the market opens, right, two things. I'll wait for the market to either break above, and then if the market break above, then my new demand level will be here. Let me move this up. My new demand level will be this side. That is if the market break that structure above, right? I have this demand level to start looking for buying opportunity, all right, to buy to the upside. All right, but if the reverse becomes the case, whereby the market decide to break the structure that is below, right, decide to break the structure that is below, then I'll look for sales opportunity to the downside, because of course the structure has been broken. So for me, that is my outlook for the Euro USD. Now let's move to GBP USD. Like, it's been a long time. My God, it's been a long time I trade GBP USD. So let's go. It's been months. GBP USD. I don't even know how that chart looks like, bro. Like, okay, let's take GBP USD. This GBP USD, and then let's go to the 1 day time frame. Let's start from there. Let's do our top-down analysis from there. Okay, I even had some charts here on this. Okay, I did an analysis on here over the weekend. So let me remove all of them. Let's start from beginning. All right, so now before this current trend to the downside on Euro USD, that is before this current trend that is coming down like this, that is flowing down, what was happening, right? Because once you come to the market, the first thing you want to do is look at who is in control, buyers or seller, right? So looking at this, the market created a series of higher highs, right? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then before that drop. All right, so let's look at something. Take this out from here. Let's look at something, guys. So when the market was creating series of higher high, you can see that there was a break of structure around here. All right, there was a break of structure around here. So at this particular point, the market tapped into a higher time frame POI, point of interest. Very, very, very important. All right, this is a higher time frame point of interest. So if you look at this, when the market was trending up, you can see that how the market tapped into this higher time frame point of interest as well before that buy. That's after a break of structure to the upside. All right, now currently the market broke structure to the upside. So what's the next thing, right? You want to now look at the flow, right? The flow of the market. Where is market coming from? All right, where is it coming from? Now, don't bother yourself. I'm doing all this, right? Like I say, a video is coming very soon. I will explain everything into details, how to look at structure. Now you can see series of lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, and then a lower high to the upside. Now we've gotten something, we've gotten a narrative already. So what do we do, right? We're going to mark out that swing point, right? And then we switch to the smaller time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours first to get more information of what the market is actually doing. Now we can see that currently the market is trading, right? Let me go back to the one. I needed to mark something. Yeah, so all right, so here will be a demand level, right? Here will be a demand level. So let's mark our demand level first. All right, let's mark our demand level first from here. So why am I calling this thing demand? So you guys, supply level is at the upside since I'm used to demand already. All right, so let's do this very well. Okay, let me arrange this well. All right, so that's the demand level. So let's go to the 4 hours. That's the supply level, bro. All right, so here we are. So let's try and refine it a bit. It's too much. Okay, so we're going to take it to the upside. Now look at what I'm saying, what I was explaining, exactly what I was explaining on Euro USD. Now some people would have been looking to short from here right to the downside, but hell no, bro. I just want to flow with the river, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Look at that, right? Higher highs, right? Higher lows, right? And then another higher high, higher low, returning into this place, right? And then going back up. Now I won't want to start selling yet for GBP USD, right? I don't want to start selling yet until the structure is broken to the downside. We should understand this, right? Until the structure is broken to the downside. Man, this video is getting longer. All right, until the structure is broken to the downside. So for now, I am still more bullish on GBP based on structure wise. All right, based on structure, because looking at this, we have break of structure here, right? Correct. Yeah. So market tapped into this supply level here, right? Market tapped to supply level here and then sold down, right? That's one of the most important thing of following structure, right? Before this break of structure here, then we have this demand. This supply level. Come, bro. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just keep calling supply level demand. Like, what's wrong with me, right? So I will still want to continue this bullish trend until, right, the market changes his mind, right? So remember, the market is still on a supply level on the higher time frame. So you can look at that, right? So, but does that mean because it's in a supply level, does that mean that I should start selling? No, I can't start selling from there. I will want to see a break below, right? Okay, where's the previous high? Right, low. Okay, so here. So for now, it is here. As of the time of recording this video, here will be my demand level. All right. So that is the law. I'll be looking at this particular level here. I'll be looking at this particular level here. All right. So for me to take a buy, for me to take a buy trade. All right, but except here gets invalidated, that's when I'll start looking for short market, right? To short the market. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, right? This is the 1 hour time frame, and then you can see how clear that thing is, right? So until that happens, right, I'm still more, if I should trade the GBP USD, I'm still more bullish on it. I'm still pretty more bullish on the GBP USD until this low is being taken, or if the market goes up like this, let's say market goes up like this, break this structure, right, I might decide to use this level. But some of the time, most of the time, this level might not hold. It might run through this level and then come to tap into this major one before they buy. All right, but until this happen, right, I'll be looking at this zone for a buy scenario, right? But if it breaks down, right, then I will now flip my bias into selling bias. All right, so it is very, very important. So that is for GBP USD. So let's look at the last pair. Let's look at gold, right? It's been long. I traded gold, bro. Like I only trade EU, right? But let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. I would have loved us to touch Bitcoin, but this chart is this time, right? The video is getting longer. It's getting longer. All right. No, let me not use this particular chart. Let's use another one. All right. Okay, I have some markup here. This is some markup here earlier today as well. So now let's go to the 1 day time frame to see what is happening first. It's very, very important, right? As a trader, right? Except you want to be doing 1 minute trading like me, you don't need higher time frame narrative, right? Just go there if you know how to navigate your way through structure. All right, so gold sold into a demand level, right, around this zone, right? Here couldn't hold. Yeah, this demand level here couldn't hold. This particular one here couldn't hold, right? Brushed through, broke into this one. Very, 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 very okay, right? And then currently it has run into this swing point, right? This swing point at the top there. So having that in mind, that markets run into a swing point and then that's come down. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. All right, now in the 4 hour time frame, what's happening, bro? So we had look at it, the market coming to this demand level, then started buying to the upside. All right, so looking at this, right, I want to flow with the river, right? I want to flow with the river, remember. All right, so I just want to get a clear structure of this. Now we have a swing point here as well, right? Because there's a pullback at this particular junction. All right, so I'm going to mark that out, right, and then go to the 1 hour time frame where probably get clearer structure. All right, so now this is a supply level, right, that the market might want to retest. But before then, remember, we only go with a flow when you are trading structure. Now look at the market, a series of higher highs, right? The market a series of higher highs, return back to demand level, higher low, right? Higher high like this, and then return back to demand level, higher low. Then we have higher high internal structure. Don't get it twisted. I will do a video about structure, internal, external, right? Higher low internal structure, and then higher high. Now if I want to take this trade, right, there's every possibility that the market might come and use this demand level, this internal demand level, to buy to the upside, right? Buy to the upside, and at the same time I decide to tap into this major external demand level to buy to the upside. Now, but before that, right, there's something I used to say, look at this here, right? Look at this particular level here with the market bruise structure. Let's go to the 15 minutes and check something very clearly. Now, look at this. You can see that the market did something, right? The market broke. Now, once you look at it, this is a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure. Trust me, this is a break of structure, right? You don't want to be someone who neglects structures in the market, right? This is a break of structure to the upside, so now break of structure. Now, where is the extreme demand level? Here, right? Where we're looking for market to probably, let's say we would have been looking to buy from here, right? But would have flipped our buyers if the market have broken this low. If the market broke this low, sorry, right, of which it did, right? Now look how market tapped into that demand level, buy to the upside, came down to the downside, and then what happened? This has nullified our buy bias already, right? So For now, the market is flowing down. All right, so you can see how the market tap into this supply level around this region and then sold to the downside. All right, so for gold, right, if I want to take good trade for now, right, following structure, I'll be looking at this demand, sorry, this supply level. I just need to deal with myself. I don't know why I keep making this mistake. All right, this supply level, right, to take a sell from there, right? You can decide to scale down to the 5 minutes to refine wherever you want to refine and all the stuff, right? You might decide, okay, if this box is too big, right, you might decide to like wait for the market to pull. Now look at, there's a minor structure here, all right, but I'll be focusing more on this, right, where the market will go up, come down, right, go up again, break structure, right, then before you look for an entry to continue that structure downward. It's very, very important you understand that. All right, I think this is 25 minutes. Okay, let's just see how I would have loved to add Bitcoin, but I think that will be in the next video. So guys, that is it for my outlook for this week. All right, so I've showed you the level I'm looking at and how I'm looking at to trade the market. So anyhow it is, I will come on the channel again to update us on what is going on and how the market has been going in the course of the week. So if you are new to this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to the YouTube channel. All right, hit that notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will always be notified. You will be the first person to be notified. Until I come your way again and again, see you in the next video. Peace out.